Hi guys, today I will teach about Kirchhoff voltage laws. Actually, what is the Kirchhoff voltage law? The Kirchhoff's voltage law states the algebraic sum of all voltage around a closed path or loops. Each resistance and batteries must be zero. Okay guys, let me see here. So, this example of question can solve the problem using Kirchhoff voltage laws. The rules to analyze a circuit. Specifically, we are going to determine the current through the voltage cross and power distributed by the three resistors you see here. As always, when using Kirchhoff rules, we are going to start by labeling our current direction. I am going to label this current I1. After junction, I will have I2 on the right side. This middle leg will be I3 in the joint with I1. The next step, we label our imaginary current loops. I will label this imaginary current I1 and this imaginary current I2. The next step, we have to put the polarity V regarding to the imaginary current clockwise we did it. The sign for the all element polarities input is positive and the output is negative. Let me see. Okay, from the first loop, the first step must be done is I imaginary. Second, must do the direction of the polarities. Then, do the same step at the second loop. From the second loop, the first step must be done is I imaginary. Second, must do the direction of the polarities also. Then, from the first loop, the equation we obtain is 5 minus V2 ohm minus V8 ohm equal to 0. Whereas, the direction for 5 volt against the direction of polarity V2 ohm and V8 ohm. At the resistor 8 ohm, we know that I imaginary I1 against I imaginary I2. Then from is 8 bracket I1 minus I2. Lastly, this solution for the equation 1 is 5 equal 10 I1 minus 8 I2. From the second loop, the equation we obtain is 3 minus V4 ohm minus V8 ohm equal to 0. Whereas the direction for 3 volt against the direction for polarities V4 ohm and V8 ohm. At the resistor 8 ohm, we know that I imaginary I2 against I imaginary I1. Then from is 8 bracket I2 minus I1. So, lastly we can get the solution for the equation 2 is 3 equal to 12 I2 minus 8 I1. Now guys, we have got two equations from the loop 1 and loop 2. To get the value I1 and value I2, we must do substitution method from the equation 1 and equation 2. This is step whereas first step, from the equation 1, we must simplify this equation. We will get this I1 equal 5 plus 8I2 divided by 10. Next, substitute equation 1 in equation 2 and we will get the value of I2 is 1.25 M. From the value of I2, we do the substitute method again to get value for I1 is 1.5 M. Okay guys, this is the last step to find the I3 value. we use the KCL equation, where I3 equal to I2 minus I1. Substitute the answer, we use I2 and I1. Finally, we get the answer for the I3. Finally, we get the answer for I3 value is negative 0.25. The end is solution. Thank you for watching this video.